Hey friends, if you wish to fix video TDR failure error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now this comes with the error code nvlddmkm sys error. So obviously the first approach should have been to perform an SFC scan, but we will start with updating the graphics card drivers. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand the list for display drivers. If you find the NVIDIA GeForce driver here, right click and update it to the latest version. The next solution is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator. Type the command SFC /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is a clean boot. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any other service is checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.